Teslas are known for their sporty, high-performance vehicles. Their powerful electric motors give incredible instantaneous acceleration, and their low center of gravity gives the car extremely responsive handling. All this encourages enthusiastic and spirited driving. That said, it's a wonder that they don't have assist handles or grab bars, not even as accessories. Which is strange because handles come standard in nearly all cars, even less expensive cars. Well, we're going to fix that and install this on my Model Y. Here they are. Admittedly, not pretty to look at, but they definitely work. And the beauty is, they can easily be removed without any damage to the car. Let's simulate the ride experience before and after grab bars. Wow, what an experience! What a difference a handle makes. Let's go and search for suction cup shower handles at your favorite site, and you'll get hundreds of hits. But focus on the ones that are about 12 inches long, which is just about the right size. Also, look at only the plastic ones. Plastic because they're lightweight and won't break the glass if you accidentally bump into the window with them. They're mostly generic clones now, so if they look the same, they probably are, so shop accordingly. I chose this one with 3 suction cups, thinking that it has better redundancy than the ones with only 2 suction cups, in theory anyways. It's pretty easy to mount and install. The first step may be optional, but if the suction cups are dirty, you might want to rinse them with water. In addition, water on the suction cups can help them hold better. So, choose the spot where you want the handle mounted. Then push the handle into the glass until it sticks. Now, close the levers to give the suction cups a tight seal. And finally, for safety, let's do a stress test to make sure they don't come off. Although the handle and glass are strong, don't overload them or something will break. A few more safety tips. Check and test them each time before using them. The edges of the panoramic glass is the strongest because it's closest to the metal frame of the car, so it's best to mount the handles there. Do not mount the handle in the middle of the panoramic window as it's the weakest part of the glass. And definitely do not mount them on the door windows. That's it. Grab bars and assist handles for your Tesla. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.